Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! We're always happy to help. Follow the beam of light to find your toys. Looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it? Good job! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their... That's perfect! That was amazing! We all love your train set. Where to now? Left leads. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Right leads to the tunnel. This adventure box, get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Left leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you be done? That was a blast! Full steam ahead! That's the way! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the water slide. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliff. The Great Waterton Station's coming up. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. We all love your train set. Where to now? Right leads to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries.
That's perfect.
Excellent. Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it off. We all love your train set. There's nothing left to unwrap. Where to now? Left leads, let's go to the big bridge. Left leads to the big bridge. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge.